Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have something very special and rare. We have biscuits that has Arabic text on them. What is this? Well, these are actually biscuits made in Oman. All the way from Oman. Like, it's a small country next to Saudi Arabia and Yemen, I think. And the company is Britannia Industries Limited. And here it says in the English, Mari Gold cookies. I love the Mari Gold biscuits. Like, I eat them very often. They're one of my favorite. So it will be really nice to see what does the other countries' Mari Gold taste like. Here we have nutrient information. Protein 2.5 grams per 100, I guess. It's hard to read because it's Arabic here. Here it is in English. It's actually 8 protein per 100 grams. So maybe this one was per one cookie or per one serving. Yep. Also I noticed that it's actually Britannia Industries Limited in India. So is this Indian company? And they just make it in Oman? I don't know. But we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and open it up. Open here. Okay, boss. Let's see how well it opens. The packaging, by the way, is really nice. I like the simple design. And I like the window, you can see the cookies inside. Some companies, they close it. You can see what's inside. But this one has window, so it's very good. Ooh, I can get the smell already. Smells really good. Lot of crumbs coming on the table, so let's go ahead and put it on the plate. Look at this. Nice. They're bigger Mari Gold cookies than I expected. But the smell is getting really good here. Feel crunchy. Yeah, and I like the edges over here. It feels nice. Let's go ahead and taste them. Okay, it's time for a taste. Britannia Marie Gold biscuits, all the way from Oman. That's far away. Look at it. Nice. I gotta say, the smell of these, it's really unique and appealing. It doesn't taste like the traditional Wadia Group biscuits. They have something extra here. Maybe like vanilla. I don't know what it is. But there's only one way to find out. Let's taste them. Here we go. Very interesting. They're crunchy. That's one thing I like. But the flavor is a little bit boring, to be honest. I think the smell is better than the flavor. How is this possible? Like, it smells super yummy. But then taste it. There's not much flavor to it. It tastes like just basic wheat cracker or biscuit. There's a little bit hint of something else, but it's very small hint. I actually made some tea because you're supposed to dip this in tea. So I have some tea here. Lipton yellow label, by the way, very good tea. So let's go ahead and try to dip some of them here and see how it tastes like. I think this is how they eat it. Now I understand. 10 times better. If you eat them just like this, they're too dry, no flavor. But it's supposed to be dipped with the tea. It's perfect because it's absorbing the tea flavors, and when you bite it, you get the really unique tea flavor combined with this biscuit together, and it's delicious. This is black tea and it's fitting perfectly. I don't think this would fit with green tea so well. You have to have black tea with this one. Let's see the nutrient values. Yeah, they only have 17 grams of sugars, like so they don't use a lot of sugar here. I can really taste it, which is good. It's more healthy. Yeah, it's really great with tea. If you just eat alone, it's not good. It is good biscuit. That's why it's also like this size. Normally the Wadia Group is smaller and it's circle, but this one is like this. Easy to dip and just eat. Very good. You know, I like it. Not the best Wadia Group cookie I have tasted before, but it's not the worst one either. It's like in the middle somewhere. I think I'm gonna give this 8 out of 10. It's a really solid biscuit, and it's all the way from Oman, which is really funny. If there's any Oman people watching, please comment below. I don't think there is any, but you never know. So this has been a review of Britannia Marie biscuits. 8 out of 10. Dip them with the tea and it's good. Like this. Very good flavor. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next reviews. Thank you.